They came at midnight, when the jungle was darkest, when the Black Colony was deepest in sleep.
The Black Colony had stood for 200 years, the strongest fortress in this part of the jungle.
He had been planning this for 3 months. Not one detail left to chance. He knew their tunnels better than they.
The Black General was the best soldier the colony had ever produced. 20 years of...
They surrounded it completely before striking a single blow. Every exit sealed. Every escape route blocked.
Every entrance at once! That was the genius of it! Not one door to defend, but every door at once.
The Red Emperor had not fought personally in 20 years. He did not need to. But he came for one reason, because he racked...
He was the better fighter. The Black General. I believe that. Not when he's carrying the weight of a colony on his back while...
He fell, and the colony fell with him. Not because his soldiers weren't...
They came for her. That was always the plan. Destroy the colony, capture the Queen Tiff, and the colony dies. She fought. Not because she thought she could win. Because her guards needed to see her fighting beside them. Because a queen who...
You are defeated, Queen! I will never surrender! Your bravery is noted. Soldiers, take her! No, let go!
Everyone was watching the Queen. Nobody was watching the worker. And the worker as workers always do, got the most...
The colony fell. The Queen was captured. The general lay wounded in the...
Surrender completely. Acknowledge Red supremacy, and your colony survivors will be spared.
She ran all night. No map, no destination. Just the knowledge that the egg had to survive. Help me, please! This is all I have!
State your purpose, outsider.
He is in danger. You are safe. The alliance that would save the Black Colony was born. Every ant in that room had lost their home before. Every single one. The Red Emperor attacked, the Queen was captured, our colony is destroyed.
Prepare.
Rescue the Queen, free the colony, confront the Red Emperor.
The last guard for the prison break. The Yellow General commands the decoy. I will lead the assault on the Red Emperor. All right, time to move. On your command. Guard rotation starts now. Let's do this quickly. Sir, yes, sir.
She holds out her leg, the alliance gesture.
I understand. Lead the way.
He didn't fight them. He talked to them. Because the army general understood an army's greatest weapon is its belief in its...
3 queens in the dark. The baby Fire Queen stepped forward alone because she understood something the Red Emperor never did. Return what you took. Or face what took them down.
The Black Queen is free. The colony ruins are returned.
Colonies are returned.
But know this, I don't lose, I